Kailash Chandra, passage number 7, part 1, start. Now, I would like to say that with this measure, we are now adopting comma to my mind comma. It will not be possible to have this system or any other system functioning effectively full stop. The number of classes that we have included are so restrictive and rigid that it will not be possible for any system to function in this country full stop. If oblique at all it is able to function comma, it will be able to function with a lot of difficulties full stop. It will oblique be said afterwards that the industrial sector comma, particularly the private sector comma, has not been able to deliver the goods full stop. I would like to warn the government that if anything happens in the future in which industrial production or production in the private sector has not gone up comma, it would not be because of any lack of efforts on the part of the private sector, but because of the measure that we are now adopting full stop. Paragraph. I have mentioned several times how this particular bill is very destructive and how it will hamper the normal growth of companies in this country full stop. It is a pity that when we are on the thresh old of the second 5-year plan comma, such a measure should be passed in this house full stop. Para. I would now like to make observations about the speeches of some of the honorable members here full stop justifies the restrictions on managing agents by saying that managing agents are no longer the main source of finance full stop. He also argues that profits have been high and will continue to remain high comma and comma, therefore comma, he would like to see the managing agents being paid on a sliding scale full stop. He is comma in the habit of referring to a number of books and making quotations quotations from a number of them published in America or in other countries, and particularly by some of the professors full stop. Para. I would also like to mention to him that even when companies are floated, it requires a certain amount of confidence amongst the investing public, and it is because a oblique particular firm is managing a particular company that this confidence is created in the investing public full stop. Para. Even there comma, as the honorable finance minister has said comma, there is a sort of overall tight control full stop. New banks and insurance companies are not floated nowadays. What you are the few banks which are existing and the few insurance companies that are existing full stop.